This year's coverage of SHOT Show 2018 is sponsored by Olight.
Hey guys, Patrick here with ESEE Knives. I'm here with my good friend Ruben. We're at the ESEE booth, SHOT Show 2018. We're going to go over some new stuff that we have. Ruben's going to show you the new finish that we're doing on the Cam Floor series.
Alright, so Cam Floor series, they actually have a new logo. Different from the original. This is the original. It's a little beat up, my original one here. And this is not a coating, it's more of a finish, black oxide finish. We first saw it on the cleaver and the PR4. It looks great, it wears amazingly well, has a nice looking, when you see the wear on this, it has a nice looking like white vinegar patina, which really, it gives it that nice classy look. So all the Cam Floor knives are going to have it. They do now. The spine is sharper than ever, in my opinion. And this is just a quick look at what a knife looks like that has been used, a baton from the Cam Floor series. Never put a drop of oil on it. Never had any chips or anything. Just using it for the way it should be used. And from now on, I think they're going to use this black oxide coating. Finish, not a coating, on more models. Going to be a little different from the original. Actually, this served its purpose, but this is a lot more robust. And it's just going to have the Cam Floor logo on the back. And all the Cam Floor and the HM series are going to have this sheath. And we're pretty happy with that. And this one here, not a whole lot of information, but it is new from our friend James Gibson. And also, it's going to be carbon steel, just like the rest, black oxide finish, and his textured kind of signature handles here. And this is another thing he came up with. And it's just a pinch, something using a pinch, very small. And this is going to be a big favorite for a lot of people. One more thing is the new sheath.
We're doing Kydex sheaths for the HM series. Remember these were coming out with just a leather sheath initially, and now they're going to be offered with leather, or you can get it with the Kydex sheath. James does a lot of wood carving spoons, cooks us, that kind of thing. So he came up with his own design for a carving axe. Very well balanced. You chop, carve out your spoon blanks. You could use it for other things too, processing wood or whatever, but it's designed as a carving axe. So we took it, this is the first production prototype. So we're hoping that these will be available maybe around Blade Show.
And that'll be $10.95 again?
$10.95, high carbon steel. We're still working out what kind of sheath. It'll probably just be a leather sheath with a snap, fold over snap, similar to like Gransfors or Wetterlings type sheaths. And the pinch, he designed that so it could fit like an Altoid type 10. Just something where you needed some type of utility blade. You'd have a small, sharp blade that would be there when you need it.